Hi, I'm Chef Robert, and today I would like to show you how easy it is to make delicious poached egg. Before we begin, remember we always wash our hands before cooking. Here's what we'll need: 4 large eggs, water, medium-sized saucepan, slotted spoon. Salt is optional. When we put our water in, we need 2 to 3 inches. And then we want to bring this water up to a boil. And once that water boils, what we're going to do is bring it back down to a simmer. When making poached eggs, you should use fresh eggs because they hold their shape better and form fewer wispy threads in the water. Alrighty, water seems to be doing a nice little boil. Now we're going to turn that down and watch our bubbles get a little smaller in size. Get our eggs all ready and lined up. One of the things with this, you want to make sure you don't burn yourself by getting too close. What we're going to do, I like using the edge of the pot. Okay. Sometime they will come together. They'll start to form. Looks like they're kind of running around for a minute, but eventually they'll all come together. You might be a little concerned the way they look at first. It's part of the process. We don't have to stir it. What we'll do is have our plates ready, so when it's time to pull them out, we're all set. Should take about anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. Now you want to be careful with this. Again, we're not trying to break them. Just lightly, gently. You kind of let the water drain off a little bit. One of the keys is to make sure you drain this pretty good. No one wants a soggy egg Benedict from water. While that's there, we'll get our other ingredients. Hollandaise sauce. And then we have some garnish. Little paprika, little chives. See how we're looking here. Oh my, your guests are going to leave you a tip with this one. And that tip is do it again. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking, everyone.